Hi, I'm Engineer David. I have been teaching and using computer aided design and drafting professionally for over 3 years now. And today, I'd like to tell you one reason why you, as an engineering personnel or an engineering student, should get on to the wagon of computer aided design and drafting. In the video I'm about to show you, you will see how a company called Pool Kings use the knowledge of computer aided design and drafting to help their clients visualize how their swimming pool will look like even before they began. I would like you to notice the reaction.
It's 5 to 14, so we need kind of a shallower end, a place to play. They really want to slide.
All right, slide. I want to be able to dive. It's a nice deep pool, huh?
15.
15 feet. That's right.
We want 15 feet.
You're going to be scuba diving.
That's right.
We want a spa, too.
Being able to come out in the winter and have it year-round is what we're after.
Well, we've got a beautiful 3D rendering. Let's go take a look at
Okay,
it.
awesome. Okay, you guys ready to see this? Oh, yeah.
Ready? All right, check it out. Here we go. Big Baja shelf with up bubblers. You can see we have a nice big fire pit on this side, catching all the views that we're talking about.
So cool.
Can you imagine hanging out there in a nice chilly evening, you know? Then you got your big old slide right there. That's so much fun. That's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be really fast.
That's your hot tub.
And then we got your outdoor kitchen.
Very awesome.
So we got their smoker and the pizza oven out there.
Awesome.
That's 8 feet of solid water coming out of that.
That's way cool.
Yeah.
You guys jump through that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did we get everything you wanted?
Yeah, no, it's awesome.
Spencer, what's your favorite part? I think we know.
That's it. Computer aided design and drafting does not only work for building swimming pools. It works for projects, it works for architects, it works for builders, it works for fabrication work, among others. The application of computer aided design and drafting is unlimited, depending on where and how you are able to utilize it. If you are new to computer aided design and drafting,
All right, guys, come on. What do you guys think?
Are you kidding me? This is amazing.
There's so much to take in here.
Oh my goodness, it's amazing. So amazing.
And it's on a special day.
It is. We're excited it can be on Parker's birthday.
Yep. Parker, you can't ask for much more than that.
This is great. I love the fire pit. 30 feet long. I'm excited to see this thing on.
Awesome.
Lighten up the night, clear over the valley.
The boys are hoping they can...
we as Computer Made Easy can be at your service. Chat with our number below and we'll gladly be glad to do so. Thank you.